What's up, everybody? It's Kalen Moss, Theory and Thacker here with Minute Admin, and we're starting the timer right now. It's going to be a 20-minute live stream today because we've got some things we got to go do, but we still want to give value to you.
Absolutely.
Check that nursery rhyme out.
I love it. I love it.
Oh, dude, one thing I wanted to say was we have this is day 50.
Day 50, man.
Oh, wait, hold on. I don't know if it's day 50, but it's episode 50.
Well, yeah, because we were doing 2 a day there for a bit.
Yeah, we were. We did that, I think, the first week, and we were like, yeah, we're good. We're
Yeah.
good. I think we did that for like 2 weeks.
The burn was real.
The burn was real.
Yes.
So we're just going to go over what we did yesterday, and I'm going to just share the screen that I see. Can you see that? Okay, Marketing Cloud. So yesterday we went into, I think this is the first time I've ever seen Marketing Cloud advertising.
Interesting, right?
Welcome to Marketing Cloud advertising.
What is this little treat?
Find new customers with lookalike audiences on Facebook and Google. Increase ROI for existing customer campaigns. Stop advertising to customers who are already purchased. How to create your first audience. Let's see what this says. Oh, we got to enter in the email address.
Oh, dude, wow. You can't even watch the video without signing up now.
Wow, you got to make sure.
Gotcha.
Dang. Yeah, we're going back. I'm good. I'll figure it out myself.
Wow. Okay. Look at this.
Create audience. Okay. The name of the audience. This is the name that will be shown in advertising audiences and on Facebook or Twitter.
What do we have in the onboarding partner section? None. Great.
Where are we sending this?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Interesting.
Very cool. So I guess I'm just going to guesstimate here. I'm guessing onboarding partner is when we actually get some kind of partnership with one of those, and then we can select that drop down, or
onboarding partner. It might even be you.
Yeah.
I don't know. It might be you as the partner. But look, let's see. Onboarding partner audience studio or advertising studio. And then the page doesn't exist.
I love your foreign pages.
Yeah, I know. They just come up out of nowhere. 1 second.
You're good.
Okay, give me 1 sec, Triple T.
No problem, man.
I'm going to be right back.
Josh, what's up?
It's goody, Josh. Give me 1 second.
What's poppin', Josh? I am actually not working from my big computer today. I'm working from my small computer. I actually disconnected the gaming rig after Destiny. I put it upstairs in the closet.
Shaking. I'll be right back 1 more time.
Yep. So Josh, what we discovered when we went into the Marketing Cloud instance is the fact there's a new advertising area, and we're looking up a drop down right now to see exactly what it means. And what we're looking up is onboarding partner within Audience Studio, just to see what we can find, because the drop down doesn't give us any options, and we're just wanting to know exactly what onboarding partner does, if you need to explain it to anybody. Looks like Kalen froze. Oh, he's froze good. I love the pose though, right, Josh? Uh-oh. The Wi-Fi at his place. Oy, oy, oy. Oh, he's stuck good. I'm gonna let him come back so he can actually share his screen again. Stuck in a T pose right now. Oh, there it is. He's gone. And he's back. There he is. Hey, what's going on? Thanks for coming.
Oh man, thank you for having me here. I am experiencing internet.
You were stuck in a T pose, man.
Oh my gosh. Hey, but look, we're an advertising studio and it looks kind of like mobile studio.
It does. It does look clean. I like
Ad
the UI so
accounts.
far.
Ad accounts, you click on that, then it says that's what it shows. If you click on Facebook to configure an ad, if you click, so you can single sign on authenticate into your business page or something like that, your Facebook business page. So that's if you click that. Then you have, like if you click on Pinterest, that's what it'll show. Authorize the app.
Gotcha.
So I could actually practice with advertising studio with my.
I mean, yeah, you could.
So that's advertising studio. This is the overview.
Very interesting. Wait, go back one more screen. Go back one screen. What's it say under? Okay, no accounts have been added. Audience cannot be created until at least one account. Okay, got it.
So then you have audience. So this is your report overview. And then, so yeah, that's Audience Studio. But yesterday we created an email and content builder. And dude, hey, forget all this. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't even care about this right now. Hold on. I want to talk to you about something else.
All right, hit me.
So, dude, look, I started creating the world's best marketing cloud developer mock exam.
No, you didn't. Well,
bro, and look, I wrote the questions, and look, these questions are legit. Like these questions, I'm not playing around. And then the explanation is right here in this column.
Okay.
And look, I've already started to break it down, and I said, let's say I go to data and I go to like create or filter views, create new temporary filter. So let's say I go into that. You can see if I section on the developer exam. Can you still see me?
Yeah, I can now. Yep.
So I can click OK.
Okay.
And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 API questions in this mock exam.
Okay.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 data management section questions.
Okay. Loving it.
Then you have data modeling. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But look at this. If you look at the Trailhead and you look at the Marketing Cloud Developer exam,
Yeah.
you go to the Marketing Cloud Developer cert and you look at the exam guide.
Uh-huh.
Let's see, where's this at? Okay, so let's say you go to data management. That's 22% of the test.
Right.
0.22 times 60 questions is 13.2 questions.
Okay. And you've got
so
that.
on the mock exam, I already have those 13 questions that someone's going to need to know how to answer.
Boom.
So
look at this, man. That's bad ass.
So, dude, we got the questions. We have them broken out into the exam outline section that it falls under. So when we can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Have it broken down by the one that it falls under. Is the last thing I heard.
Huh?
I said the last thing I heard is the breakdown underneath each one that it falls under.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So man, like this is all broken down and I'm going through and I'm making sure the explanation is so on point with all the best resources on deck.
Love it, dude.
And you know what I realized?
What's that?
Bro, this is just a database repository of practice exam questions.
That's all it is.
That's all it is. This is just data.
It's just data.
In a database table.
By column and by row. Right?
Too easy, bro. It's all the same.
It's all the same. It all starts to become the same. It's just how you handle it, right?
Exactly.
Yes. And I have to tell you, there are a lot of, we know this. I know we both know this. There are a lot of poor data practices out there.
Dude, yeah.
And there's a lot of data that's collected at the time for no obvious reason, and it's just left to sit there.
Yep. It's just sitting there. Hey,
Just
but these are going to serve a purpose.
Yes.
Hey, yeah, man. Speaking of that, since we've been talking about all this data, AMPscript and all that, dude, I'm telling you, my entire way of thinking has shifted completely towards data. Everything needs to be stored in a clean database table.
Yep.
And dude, like, I'm just starting to see the power of storing that data in a database table.
A huge thing about it is when you do have that clean data, you don't have to create as many customizations and workarounds and, trying to make it work for you. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
It's just ready. It's ready to go. Everything's clean cut for exactly what it needs. Yep. This is why CDP hits that data scientist part so hard.
And that's something I was thinking about yesterday. Like I was thinking about CDP honestly doesn't even intimidate me anymore because I look at it kind of like what's the main things you have to know in CDP? How to ingest the data,
right,
and link it to the database tables. So it's like attribute groups.
Yep.
Ingest the data into the database tables, and then all the data is now streaming in there either in batches or an API form. And then it's all pulled into the data lakes. Right. And it's sitting in these huge data lakes, and then you're just running SQL queries on the data to create audiences.
That's it.
And then you're taking that audience and you're sending it back out through Journey Builder in Marketing Cloud.
Right.
And you're sending
that's really what it is.
That's all it is. That's all
it is.
So I'm sitting there thinking about it. I was like, CDP doesn't even seem that hard.
No, it's really not. Once we have done all these little random journeys we went on together during this series, I mean, we've taken a lot of deep dives into data.
the stuff we've learned about AMPscript, I swear, I'm telling you, man, like that really completely changed the way I think,
the way you process the information.
the way I process everything in life now really is like through code.
I mean,
And I've been doing this for like what, a month?
Right.
Like,
yep. What, 50 sessions?
just think by the end of 2023, man, that's what we were saying at the beginning of this year, end of 2023, how much more confident we'll be as developers.
Oh, for sure. For sure. We're just going to keep digging.
Yeah.
Because it's all there for us. It's all there for us.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's all there.
All the information, man.
Yep. So I was looking at this earlier today.
Yeah.
Or I was looking at, it was some sort of coding website that I was looking at earlier today. And I was reading through the text and I was looking at this, I was looking at like some impression region. But I bet, look, if we come over here, like this is stuff that used to really intimidate me, like looking at formatting and format date functions.
Yeah.
I remember looking at format date and not understanding how any of this inside of here worked. I didn't even know this was a function.
Format date now, brackets. Okay.
So I guess what it's saying is format the date of today's date, right? What today's date is right now, and the month, and then day format.
Okay. Month. Okay, got it.
At format date
now.
Result is December 1st at 6:30 p.m.
Interesting.
Format versus format date behave differently with different short date values. So if you put S, capital S, short format date outputs a short date like 10/5/2017.
Yeah, what's most common.
Yeah. Output format date, the date variable as S, capital S, or short. Result is that. If you use sortable, it outputs a sortable date.
Sortable date.
2017-10/05.
Right.
Interesting. Wow. 2017, if you use S, it outputs a sortable date. If you use S. Interesting.
So many variations.
So many.
Who's going to tell you how to do this? It's going to be based on what you collect, right? Your BRG.
Yep.
How do you want your date format to come out?
Exactly. Yeah.
That's really the need here.
That's a simple question that could be so easily overlooked.
Right.
So, yeah, man. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just all about being consistent. It's all about going through every single day. We're at day 50. And I feel like we're at the point where we could learn any language. I was looking at server-side JavaScript today, and I was like, oh, it just looks a little bit different than AMPscript, but it's like
it's slang, right? It's just a different variation. Right.
Yeah. So I'm like, man, 50 days, 100 days, what are we going to do after 100?
And then within each one of those languages, sometimes you just have functions that that basically give you different allowances on how you can use them.
Yeah.
Yep.
Man, I'm excited. We've come a long way. I think we should, if we were like social media promoters and like we were really good at it and we had an agency or something, this would definitely be like it would be, excuse me. It would be like what is it? You know how they always do those centennials or bicentennial celebrations?
Yeah.
Balloons. We'd have a cake. But hey, we have the next best thing. Word of mouth.
There it is.
50th episode in the series. Make sure you go back through all of them, catch up. I can't even be honest saying that. Don't spend that much time watching this, please. If you went and watched all 50 episodes, okay, you didn't send a trophy.
That's right.
Leave a message on this one and tell us if you actually have watched all 50. If you did, we got to fly you out or something. You got to get you get the like YouTube plaque subscriber like
right.
awesome.
D-Jar said nothing stopping you from partying on this 50th episode.
Exactly.
Right. Yep.
Man. Hey, but thank you for being my accountability partner for the past 50 episodes.
Always.
And I know there's going to be days like this where we don't have too much time in between the stuff we're doing, but we just still make that time to jump in.
That's right.
And I think more than anything, that's the lesson I would love to just pass on to everybody else is just have somebody who's holding you, keeping you accountable.
Yep.
Because you'll grow no matter what. You don't have to be doing the most every single day to still grow.
Nope. Bits and pieces sometimes. Bits and pieces.
Yep.
Yeah, for sure.
So, all right, man. Well, that's all we got for you all. Hit that. Thank you, Joshua. Thank you, DJar999.
That's Demetrius for sure.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Demetrius. Out in Ohio.
Yep.
Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. Appreciate you, Josh.
Yep. And Minute Admin out, man.
Minute Admin out.
Later, guys.